Hello students, this is Ritwik Dubey, your computer teacher. In today's video class, we will discuss how to display the following pattern. See, if in the first line I have one star, in the second line if I have one star and then space and then another star. In the third line if I have one star, one space, then again star, then space and star. And in the fourth line if I have one star, then space, then star, space, star, space and one star. So how to display the following pattern? In last video class we had discussed how to display this pattern. In the first line we were having one star, in the second line we were having three stars, in the third line we were having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. So clearly we can see that both the patterns are different. Here in the first line we have one star, in the second line we have 3 stars, in the third line we have 5 stars, and in the fourth line we have 7 stars. But here the scenario is different. Okay? Yes or no? Here in the first line we have one star, then one star, space, 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 star. Yes or no? So what was the condition for this pattern? It was C greater than equal to dependency variable D1, logical and C less than equal to dependency variable D2, and just after the for loop we were incrementing and decrementing the values of D1 and D2. Yes or no? So if you have not watched that video class, go and watch it and then come and watch this one. Okay? How to draw this? How to print this pattern? See, we have already discussed how to display this pattern. See, this pattern. Listen, if this is the pattern, listen, I will tell you, don't worry. Yes. Okay, listen. So here R is equal to 1, R is equal to 2, R is equal to 3, R is equal to 4, C is equal to 1, C is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. Okay. Now 1 1. Here the location is 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. Here the location is 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. Okay, here the location is 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4. And here the location is 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4. Okay, so this is the location where the star is getting printed. This is the location where the stars are getting printed. Clear? Okay. See the boundary line. See the boundary line. We have already covered this part. Yes or no? This pattern we have already covered in the first few videos of pattern. See 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5. That means what is the condition? What is the condition? The condition is R plus C is equal to 5. And here 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7. So R plus C is greater than equal to what? Greater than equal to 5. 5 means 5 means size plus 5 means size plus 1. So this is the condition. Okay, this is the condition where the stars are getting printed in this pattern. Okay, forget about that pattern. Forget, I will tell you. Okay, how to convert this pattern into that pattern, I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, as of now, focus on this triangle. So what is the condition in which the stars are getting printed? The condition is R plus C is greater than or equal to 5. Yes or no? See, R 4 plus 1 5. Here 3 plus 2 5. Here 3 plus 2 5. Here 4 plus 1 5. And here 4 plus 2 6, which is greater than 5. 4 plus 3 is 7, which is greater than 5. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is greater than 5. But see the location where the stars are not getting printed. 1 plus 1 2, which is less than 5. 3 plus 1 4, which is less than 5. So if this condition is satisfied, then the stars will be printed. So this is the location, or this is the condition, okay, in which the stars are getting printed. In which the stars are getting printed. Clear? Now listen. What if I print this star here? And while printing star, if I add one space, this is not underscore, this is one space. So whenever I will write system.out.print star within double quotes, so just after star, I will add one space. Just after star, I will add one space. Okay? So star and one space. Whenever star will be printed, along with it, one space will be printed. Okay. So star got printed and one space. Okay. Then see this star, this star, this star. Star got printed and then one space got printed. And this space has occupied the location of the second star, which you can see here. Okay, this space has occupied the location of the second star. So the second star will be printed or will be shifted towards the right side. Will be shifted towards the right side. And what is the condition? Whenever a star is printed, one space is also printed. One space is also printed. Why? Because we will write system dot out dot print star and one space. Okay, what is this? This is one space. Star and one space. Clear? Okay. Then say this star, this star, this star. If I print one star here, then what is the condition? One space is automatically added here. So this space has taken the location or taken the place of this star. So this star will be shifted towards the right side. Okay, and what is the condition? When this star will be printed, one space will be printed. Okay, whenever stars are getting printed, along with the star, one extra space is getting printed. Okay, so because of this space, what will happen? This star will shift towards the right side and one space will be printed. Okay, then focus on this star. Focus on this star. Star got printed and we have printed one space. So one space will be printed. Then this star will be shifted towards the right side. Will be shifted towards the right side. So when this star got printed, one space will also be printed. Why? Because we have written star and space. Okay. So the third star, which you can see here, will be shifted towards the right side. So this star will be printed. When this star will be printed, along with it, one space will be printed. Because this space is printed, the last star will be shifted towards the right side. Will be shifted towards the right side and one space will be printed. Now you can see, if I rub this, we are getting the same pattern. We are getting the same pattern. Yes or no? So if a student is knowing the condition of this pattern, then easily he or she can print this pattern also, just by adding one space after star. Just by adding one space after star. Okay. So how to write the program? Listen. How to write the program? System dot out dot println. In examination, don't write s.out.pl. Okay, write system dot out dot println. Enter the size of the pattern. Enter the size of the pattern. Enter the size of the pattern. Okay. Int. So here the row size and column size both are same, 4, 4. Okay. So we will take only size. Size is equal to scalar object dot next capital I and T, next int. Okay. Suppose the user has given 4. Then outer for loop, int r is equal to 1. Okay. See here r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, r is equal to 4. I will not write here c is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because we are printing one space just after the star, so the number of columns are increasing. That doesn't mean that we will take the row size and column size both, or we will calculate the column size. Automatically the columns will increase if we are printing one space after the star. Okay. Clear? So here I am not writing c is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and automatically it will happen. So let me write only r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and c is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So r is equal to 1, r less than equal to size, and then r plus plus, then r plus plus. Okay. Then inner for loop, int c is equal to 1, c less than equal to what? Size again, and then c plus plus. Okay, c plus plus. Then what is the condition if r plus c? If r plus c greater than equal to 5, 5 means size plus 1. 5 means size plus 1. If this condition is true, then we will print system.out.print, not println. In pattern programming, within the body of inner for loop, we use system.out.print, not println. Okay, so system.out.print, we will print one star and one space. Hey, listen, this is not underscore. Okay, this is not underscore. Just to let you know that yes, this is one space. One space is getting printed just the moment star is getting printed. Okay. Then else, if this condition is not satisfied, then we have to print the space. We have to print the space. So system.out.print. Okay, one space. Okay, system.out.print one space. One space. Then let me close the body of or block of inner for loop. And what is the next step? We have to write system.out.println. System.out.println. Why? So that the cursor will be taken to the next line. Okay, so that the cursor could be taken to the next line. Okay. Close the block of outer for loop. Clear? So this is the program. This is the program. This is star, and after star one space. After star one space, and in the else part only one space. Now let me perform the trial for you. Listen. It is very, very important to perform the trial also. Listen. Say r is equal to 1. Okay, r is equal to 1. Suppose size. First of all, size. What is the size? Assume the size is 4. 4, or let us take 3 only. 3. Let us take 3 only. So size is equal to 3. Size is equal to 3. R is equal to 1. Okay, R is equal to 1. the control will go to the testing expression. The control will go to the testing expression of outer for loop, and the condition is R less than equal to size. Okay, so R less than equal to size means what is size? Size is 3. R less than equal to 3. This will be the condition. So what is R? It is 1. 1 less than equal to 3, true or false? It is true. If it is true, the control will go within the body of outer for loop, and we have C is equal to 1. Okay, we have C is equal to 1. And what is the condition? Then the control will go to the testing expression C less than equal to size. C less than equal to size. So what is C? C is 1. 1 is less than equal to size. What is size? It is 3. Okay, what is size? Size is 3 now. Okay, 3. Yes. So 1 is less than equal to 3. Yes, it is true. Okay, it is true. Okay, 1 is less than equal to 3. True. If it is true, the control will go within the body of inner for loop. And what is the condition? R plus C greater than equal to size plus 1. What is the condition? The condition is R plus C greater than equal to size plus 1. Okay. Now you tell me what is R? It is 1. What is C? 1. So 1 plus 1 greater than equal to size. What is size? 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is greater than equal to 4. 2 is greater than equal to 4. Yes, the condition is true. The condition is true. True or false? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is greater than equal to 4. False. It is false. Okay, it is false. If it is false, if this condition is false, okay, if this condition is false, the control will go to the else part and display one space. So assume this is the output screen. Assume this is the output screen. So one space got printed. Okay, one space got printed. And since we have written system.out.print, the cursor will remain there only. Okay, then the control will go to the updation expression. Then the control will go to the updation expression of inner for loop, that is C++. C++ is 2. Okay. Then the control will go again to the testing expression of inner for loop, that is 1 less than equal to 3. Okay. 1 less than equal to 3 or 2 less than equal to 3? It will be 2 less than equal to 3. Why? Because the current value of C is 2. So 2 is less than equal to 3. The answer is true. The answer is true. If it is true, the control will again go to the what? Body of the inner for loop. Here we have written R plus C greater than equal to size plus 1. R plus C. What is R? 1. So 1 plus C. What is C? It is 2. So 1 plus 2 is greater than equal to size plus 1 means it is 3 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 3 is greater than equal to 4. 3 is greater than 4. No. Equal to 4. No. So again it is false. Okay. Again it is false. If it is false, if this condition is false, the control will go to the else part and display or print one space. Okay. Print one space. Clear? Then the control will go to the updation expression. The control will go to the updation expression of inner for loop, that is C++. C++ is 3. Then the control will go and check. C means 3 is less than equal to 3. So 3 is less than equal to 3, true. Yes or no? 3 is less than 3, no. But 3 is equal to 3, yes. So it is true. If it is true, the control will enter within the body of inner for loop again. And here it will check R plus C is greater than equal to size plus 1. R plus C, what is R? It is 1. 1 plus C, what is C? Is 3. So 1 plus 3 is greater than equal to size plus 1. 3 plus 1. So what is 3 plus 1? It is 4. What is 3 plus 1? It is 4. So 4 is greater than 4. No, 4 is equal to 4. Yes, it is true now. It is true now. If it is true, if this condition is true, then star will be printed along with a space. Star will be printed along with a space. So here, star got printed with a space. With with a space. Clear? Then the control will go to the updation expression C++. So what is C++? It is 4. And then what is written here? C less than equal to size. 4 is less than equal to 3. Okay, the size is 3, huh? The size is 3. So 4 is less than 3. No. 4 is equal to 3. No. If it is no, it means it is false. If it is false, the control will come out of the body of inner for loop, and we have written system.out.println. So what will happen? The cursor will come to the next line. Okay. After this, then the control will go to the updation expression of outer for loop, that is R++. So R++ is 2, and then the control will go to the what? Testing expression of outer for loop. R less than equal to size. What is R? 2. 2 less than equal to 3. The answer is true. If it is true, once again the control will go within the body of outer for loop, and again the value of C will become 1. So C is equal to 1. C less than equal to size means 1 less than equal to 3. The answer is true. If it is true, then there is one more checking. R plus C greater than equal to size plus 1. What is R? Now R is 2. So 2 plus C. What is C? It is 1. What is R? 2. What is C? 1. So 2 plus 1 is greater than equal to size plus 1. 3 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is greater than 4 because 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Yes or no? So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is greater than equal to 4. Greater than 4? No. Equal to 4? No. So it is false. Okay? It is false. If this condition is false, the control will go to the else part and print one space. Okay? So one space is printed here. Okay? One space is printed here. Then the control goes to the updation expression of inner for loop C++. Okay? C++ means it is 2. Then it goes to the testing expression of inner for loop C less than equal to size. What is C? It is 2. 2 less than equal to size. What is size? 3. So 2 is less than equal to 3. The answer is true. If it is true, then it will go within the body of inner for loop, and in inner for loop we have applied a condition R plus C is greater than equal to size plus 1. So what is R now? It is 2. 2 plus C. What is C? It is 2. 2 plus 2 is greater than equal to size plus 1. What is size plus 1? It is 3 plus 1. Okay? Think. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is greater than 4? No. 4 is equal to 4? Yes. So here we will get true. If we are getting true here, then star will be printed along with one space. Star will be printed along with one space. Okay? So here I will print one star and one space. Clear? Then the control will go to the updation expression of inner for loop C++. It is 3. So 3 is less than equal to size. 3 is less than equal to 3. So 3 is less than 3. No, but 3 is equal to 3. Yes. If it is yes, it means true. If it is true, then the control will go within the body of inner for loop and check R plus C is greater than equal to size plus 1. What is R? R is 2. R is 2. R plus C. What is C? It is 3. So 2 plus 3 is greater than equal to size plus 1. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 5 is greater than 4? Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. If it is true, if this condition is true, one star will be printed along with a space. So one star will be printed along with a space. Okay? Please do not consider these lines as underscores. These are spaces. Consider them to be spaces. Okay? Then the control will go to the updation expression C++ that is equal to 4. So 4 is less than equal to size. 4 is less than equal to 3. So 4 is less than 3. No. 4 is equal to 3. No. If it is no, then we will get false. If we are getting false, the control will come out of the body of inner for loop and just after the inner for loop we have written system.out.println to take the cursor to the next line. Okay. Then the control goes to the updation expression of outer for loop r plus plus. So r plus plus means 2 will become 3, and then the control will go to the testing expression of outer for loop. R less than equal to side, r is 3. 3 is less than equal to side, side is 3. So 3 is less than 3? No. 3 is equal to 3? Yes. If any one is yes, it means true. It means true. If it is true, then the control again goes within the body of the outer for loop, and again C, the value of C becomes 1. The value of C becomes 1. Again it becomes 1. Okay. Then the control goes to the testing expression of inner for loop. C less than equal to side, 1 less than equal to side 3. Yes, the answer is true. Then the control goes within the body of inner for loop and checks for this condition r plus C is greater than equal to side plus 1. R plus C is greater than equal to side plus 1. So what is R? It is 3. Okay, R is 3. R plus C, what is C? C is 1. 3 plus 1 is greater than equal to side plus 1. Yes, the answer is 4 is greater than 4. No, 4 is equal to 4. Yes, so we will get true. If we are getting true here, then one star will be printed along with a space. So we will print one star and then one space. Okay. Then the control will go to the updation expression of inner for loop C++. Okay, C++ is 2. Then the control goes to the testing expression of inner for loop 2 less than equal to 3. So 2 less than equal to 3. Listen, 2 is less than equal to 3. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. If it is true, then the control goes within the body of inner for loop and checks r plus C is greater than equal to side plus 1. What is r? It is 3. 3 plus 1 C. 3 plus C. R plus C means 2. So 3 plus 2 is greater than equal to side plus 1. 3 plus 1. Listen. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 is greater than 4. Yes, it is true. If this condition is true, then star will be printed with one space. Okay. So one star will be printed with one space. Then again the control will go to the updation expression of inner for loop C++. So C++ is what? It will become 3. Then the control will go to the testing expression of inner for loop C less than equal to side. So what is C now? 3. 3 less than equal to side. Side is 3. So 3 is less than 3. No. 3 is equal to 3. Yes. If it is yes, it is true. It is true. If this condition is true, the control goes within the body of inner for loop. Then checks r plus C is greater than equal to side plus 1. What is r? It is 3. So 3 plus C. What is C? 3. 3 plus 3 is greater than equal to side plus 1. What is the pattern size? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 6 is greater than equal to 4? Yes. The answer is true. If this condition is giving true, that means one star will be printed along with one space. One star will be printed with one space. So one star will be printed along with one space. Okay. Then the control will go to the updation expression of inner for loop C++. Okay, so it will become 4. Then the control will go to the testing expression of inner for loop C less than equal to side. So what is C? It is 4. 4 less than equal to side. What is side? 3. So 4 is less than 3? No. 4 is equal to 3? No. So it is giving false. Okay, this condition is giving false. If this condition is giving false, the control will come out of the body of inner for loop, and we have written system.out.println to bring the cursor to the next line. So the cursor will be brought to the next line. Clear? Then the control will go to the updation expression of outer for loop r++. R++ is, what is r++? It is 4. then the control goes to the testing expression of outer for loop r less than equal to size, 4 less than equal to size. So 4 is less than 3? No. 4 is equal to 3? No. So it is false. If the testing expression of outer for loop gives false, then the control comes out of the outer for loop, and this is the final pattern. This is our final pattern. Okay. Now if I rub these spaces, see, one space in between two stars, one space in between two stars. Clear? So what is the condition? The condition is r plus c is greater than equal to size plus 1. And one more thing, just while printing star, we have to print one space along with the star. Okay, so this is very easy. Yes or no? Now let me show you the same thing in my laptop. Come. Yes, listen. So open BlueJ. Okay, and create a class. Give any name. Click on OK. Double click over it. Maximize the screen, Control A, backspace. See, import import java.util.scanner scanner, public public, class class, pattern pattern, public public, static static, void void, main, capital str, ing string, array space, args. Then create the object of scanner. Scanner scn is equal to new scanner. Then write system.in. System.in. Okay. Ask the user system.out.println. System.out.println. Enter the size. Enter the size of the pattern, pattern. Enter the size of the pattern. Okay, int size is equal to scanner object dot next int. Then for loop int r is equal to 1, r less than equal to size, and r plus plus. Okay, inner for loop int c is equal to 1, c less than equal to size, c plus plus. Okay, give the condition. Okay, give the condition. What was the condition? R plus c greater than equal to size plus 1. Yes or no? R plus c greater than equal to size plus 1. If this condition is satisfied, then system.out.print. System.out.print. Okay, 1 star and then 1 space, as we have already discussed. Whenever we will print star, we will print 1 space after that. Okay, so I have printed star and a space. Okay, this is star. Okay, this is star and this is one more space. And in the else part, I will display system system.out.print print system.out.print 1 space. Clear? Then close the inner for loop and write here system.out.println. System.out.println. Close the outer for loop. Then close the main method. Close the class. Control K. No syntax error. Go back, right click and call the main method. Enter the size of the pattern. Suppose if size is 5, see, you can see. In between 2 stars, there is 1 space. In between 2 stars, there is 1 space. Clear? If I enter row size 10, see. So this is the triangle. Clear, na? Clear? Okay. Now, what is your task? To try yourself. Okay, and perform the dry run in your notebook and see how it is working. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye-bye.